I think it's so hard to decide what you want to do, especially as a young person. But I think it's so important that you just choose something that you enjoy doing it. If you know what you kind of want to do, there is so many different opportunities within Cumbria for that thing. So I'm originally from Cumbria. I was born in Ulverston. I decided that I wanted to base my career and my options around Cumbria. I love living around here, and when I looked for opportunities, it opened my eyes to how many opportunities there actually are around here, especially in the engineering environment, which is what I was interested in. I'm currently an apprentice. I work offshore on the turbines as a technician on the world's largest wind farm, Walney Extension. I absolutely love working for Ørsted, so I'm currently the only female on the west coast, but me and the boys are a really good group of people, we're a really good team. I think there's a wide variety of culture offered here in Cumbria. I think with all the tourists we get, especially towards the Lake District and stuff, there's so many cute little cafes around, everyone's friendly, it's brilliant.
The sense of community up here in Cumbria is fantastic. I got involved in the community here in Carlisle and they're just such a wonderful bunch of people. Most people assume that if you want to be a corporate lawyer you have to head to one of the cities. Here in Cumbria there's a lot of corporate work, there's a lot of businesses, so there is definitely ample opportunity to build your career here. I initially moved to Cumbria because I've been coming up here for a long time and I was fortunate enough to get this position at Baines Wilson. Since then it's just been fantastic and I'm just thoroughly enjoying it. It's a great work-life balance. I can really enjoy my hobbies on the weekends. The fells aren't too far away.
So in Cumbria it's good for the apprenticeships, thinking about the future for yourself, what's best, plenty of opportunities, like there's big businesses that are looking for the right people. I've got family in Newcastle, so travel over there quite a bit. Tend to go every now and again just for a break, like into a city. Easy to go transport, but I find the easiest way just to drive. In Cumbria there's loads you can do, things like Kendal calling. You see a lot of people come from abroad just to see Kendal calling, certain acts that are there.
I work on the emergency admissions unit. We assess patients when they come into hospital. They get admitted through us and I work alongside the nurse. I really enjoy it. So we go to uni on a Friday and then we're on the job from the rest of the week, and it's really good experience hands-on. I think we've got lots of opportunities here in Cumbria, different apprenticeships. It's a good way to get into work and good to learn on the job and have a work-life balance as well.
People who are unsure about the opportunities here, I tell them to throw their hat in the ring. There's definitely a breadth of opportunity for young people in Cumbria.
I think one of the main benefits of living in Cumbria is the diversity there is. But then you've also got like the Lake District, the wilderness. You can go out and be in a mountain one day and then the next day you can be in town, out shopping with your friends. If you're somewhere else like in the city or something, you don't always get that. That's why I like living in Cumbria.